What's up, everybody? I started this $50,000 FTMO challenge 2 weeks ago. I'm pretty much done with it now. I'm at $4,260 out of a $5,000 target profit. So I just need around $750 to complete the challenge. Probably by Tuesday of next week, I should be able to finish it up. I don't think I want to take any more compound trades, but if I do see a good enough trade, I'll go for it. I can get it done with just one more trade if it's a really good one. And last night was ultra choppy. The dollar pairs were very unstable, along with, of course, the dollar index. Usually when that's the case, I'll go for trades on the Euro GBP and the odd NZD. I did take my trade on the EGBP. The odd NZD was still looking pretty stalled out from the big jump that it had a couple days ago. I attempted another trade on the UCAD, which was a mistake to even get into in the first place. Luckily, I was able to get out of it early and almost break even. So I had a $159 profit overall. I did exit my trade early on the EGBP as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at those really quick. All right, so let's look at those two trades I took. Super choppy session. So I had oh, there we go. So I took my first trade over here on the UCAD. Actually went for a long trade. Pretty much right at the open. So I was like right in here. So it was really nice tight stop loss before. And I was going for 12. So definitely did not work out. So I exited that trade early. I pretty much broke even on that one. The dollar was just kind of chopping around, unstable the whole time. So the start of the session was over here, and you see down on the hourly chart, it looked like it wanted to go up, but it just wasn't. It hadn't pulled back all the way. So that didn't happen until like 5 o'clock, 5:30. So it was just too early. So there was really nothing to trade on the majors. So I looked over at the AUD NZD, and the start of the session was right over here on the hourly chart. I figured it would go up a little bit more, but there really just wasn't a good entry for it. So I ended up just taking my trade over here, and it's actually still on there. So if you look at the hourly chart, big move down. Pretty much it's a consolidation trend continuation on the hourly chart. So big move, big bar down, and then a consolidation bar, and then it continues down. So on the 5-minute chart, you would take your entry right when you get that first pullback, usually to the 21, and that's what it was on this one. So this did work. Actually, I exited early, probably like in there somewhere. But I could have actually went for 3 here, which I would not have done, but it did work. So that was down there, and that went through around 125, 130. So that was pretty much an hour and a half into the session. So it didn't take too long, and obviously I could have gotten even more from that. So that was really the only solid trade that I saw the whole entire night. Basically, it was a dead session minus that one trade. It is pretty rare to see that much choppiness. Usually within an hour or an hour and a half of the session opening, you'll get some better opportunities, but that didn't even happen here. Pretty choppy week, honestly. I definitely had to have much more patience than usual while I was looking for good trades, but I made it through with a very solid profit anyway. Some things to remember for trading while it's unstable like that is to obviously be way more patient, and also go for 2 reward instead of 3 reward. When the price is chopping around, it likes to pull back more, and the trades will take a lot longer than usual. So it's much safer to just get the 2 reward and run pretty much. So I think I'll do a weekly recap video for tomorrow. That'll be the first time that I do one of those. These recap videos are really helping me out a lot. I usually wouldn't spend this much time analyzing the market the morning after, so adding in that weekly reflection is probably going to be even better. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the streams, the recaps, and the channel overall. I'll be taking it easy this weekend. I need to get some much needed rest. I just saw that Monday is Memorial Day, so I won't be trading. I don't trade holidays. It's just a hard rule of mine. So I'll be back on for my live streams starting Monday night for Tuesday's London session at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time. I'll be securing that $50,000 account next week, so I'm pretty excited. I hope you all enjoyed the long weekend. Remember to always trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys later.